Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Got a great video for you today. I'm here with my brother Metro, and this video is in collaboration with Kemimoto. They sent me something cool, something every bagger should have, and he doesn't know what it is yet. So let's roll that intro and get into it. Alright, so we're about to open it up.
Right.
He isn't, like I said, he has no clue what it is. So go ahead, open up, and let's find out what it is.
Alright, very sharp. Alright, let's see. We put it away for safety.
And feel free to excuse Mike, he's slow at everything.
Let's see what this is. Oh. This is cool. What is it? It's a motor thing.
Cool. What is it? It's a motor thing.
It's like Christmas.
Let us know what it is.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a bag liner.
Yeah.
That's legit. And it even has the name on it and everything. That's pretty cool.
Alright, so we're going to be doing a road trip here in the next couple weeks. And I wanted to make sure he is prepared for this upcoming road trip.
This is hella legit.
Yeah. So we'll get an up close look at this.
I can put my tools in it and everything.
So,
alright, so these cool little things, they're super dummy proof. They got a left on it. They got stickers that say like, where is it? Right. So you got your right side, you got your left side. And I didn't even like look at an owner's manual or anything, but it's got these little punches right here. Looks like it just fits in like that. It's got a little sticky thing to help keep it on there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these installed. Alright, so I'm sitting here looking at some of these attachments, and like, let's start from this side to this side real quick. It's got this little pouch here, super cool. Could put some stuff in there. I don't know what I'd put in there just yet, but super cool looking. We got this little pouch, and it has a zipper. That's super cool. And then it's got, oh shit, it's got this. This is legit right here. So I usually throw my keys in the bag, and with this thing I can just put the keys on there, and it's right at the top of the bag. I don't have to worry about digging in it. I don't have to worry about the keys sliding to the back. It's just right there. And then it's got this pouch right here. It's like, I don't know what I'm gonna put in there, but I do carry a sidearm. I do carry tools. I can throw some tools in there, and it's even got like this little number right there. Boom, a nice little patch to put like paperwork. I go to a dealership, get some paperwork or whatever it is, I put it in there. And yeah, I want to get this installed. Like,
let's do it.
Let's do it. Alright, so completely dummy proof. Go ahead and take these guys off. Boom, boom, pop them right there. Let's see, take this off. Oh, maybe I should have done that first. Take that off right there first. Pop that on there.
So what I like about that is when you put it in there, it's not, and you have tools in there, it's not going to bounce around and make a bunch of racket.
Yeah, it'll keep it nice and steady. And then I'll just go something like this, and push it in. Kind of just keep it there, you know? And move it a little bit. Right there. Yeah. Boom. Okay. Oh, hey, look at this right there. It even has enough room that it curves perfectly with it. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's get this on. Pop this right through there. Nice and super easy, super simple. Couple turns. Oh. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. All right, so it's in there. It's still completely usable. You can see, yeah, even though that's right above it, I can still just boom, completely usable. It's not shaking around. Can completely use this little pouch. Everything is still completely usable, even with the, forgot what these bolts are called, but even with that, everything's still completely usable. So, all right, so we got the left side here. And I can already tell it's noticeably different than the other side. So it doesn't have that key thing. Great. I put the keys in the left side anyway. It's got these big patches here, big pouch there, boom. It's got zipper pouches, I like that, so that things aren't moving around or for whatever possible reason popping out. Super cool and big, like they're very spacious. Yeah, so this is super cool looking. Looks like it has a lot of use to it. Let's get it in. Pop. So it looks like it's going to be the exact same as the last one. Just pop these bolts off, undo the sticky thing so that it sticks to the wall of it, and pop it in, boom, ready to go. Super quick, easy install. You gotta take off that little thing there. Let's go like this. All right. And it form fits with it. Shape's really good. Everything looks great. That's all there is to it. Super quick, easy to put together and let's install.
All right, Metro, tell us what you think about these saddlebag organizers.
So I haven't used them yet. We just installed them. They look fantastic in the bike. They look very useful, and the price for these is like a lot cheaper than Harley Davidson, and I'm a Harley Davidson kind of guy. Like everything on this bike is Harley Davidson except for those, and I'm not even upset about it because they look cool. They look extremely useful, and the Harley Davidson ones don't have the little key thing, and I find that like super
convenient.
Absolutely.
And so I'm really stoked on these. I have a set in my bike as well, and I am absolutely pleased with mine. I store a lot of stuff in it, so overall, I'm very satisfied with mine. Say you're satisfied?
I'm super satisfied. This is like a big improvement to my bike. Like I wouldn't think that that's a big improvement, but dang, it is. Like especially the key thing.
Definitely something every bagger needs, in our opinion. And if you're interested in this product, there will be a link in the description. So definitely recommend checking them out.
And they're so much cheaper than Harley.
Yes. And please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.